Welcome back to Autocars Studio 512. The 2026 Skoda Yeti has finally made its way into showrooms, and it's creating a buzz among SUV enthusiasts and automotive experts alike. Known for its rugged charm and compact utility, the Yeti has returned with a fresh identity, bolder design, and a new level of modern sophistication. For those who've been eagerly waiting for a practical SUV with personality, the new Yeti is a promising addition to the Skoda lineup. Right from the first glance, the front design grabs attention with a more aggressive stance. The signature Skoda butterfly grille is now larger and more upright, outlined in chrome, giving the SUV a commanding look. Flanking the grille are new rectangular LED headlights, sharply designed with integrated daytime running lights that bring a sharp, premium look. The headlights are bright, crisp, and perfectly shaped to follow the bold lines of the bonnet, making the front view look clean and confident. The green color showcased in the showroom is striking. It's a fresh metallic shade that stands out without being too flashy, perfect for buyers who want something unique but still tasteful. The paint has a high-quality finish, and under the bright showroom lights, the subtle metallic flake reflects beautifully. It complements the rugged body styling, which includes sculpted sides, a slightly raised hood, and muscular wheel arches that give the Yeti a sporty yet purposeful appearance. Open car lights in the showroom reveal just how far Skoda has come with lighting technology. The front LEDs shine with precision, casting a sharp beam that enhances visibility and adds to the car's visual impact. It's not just about function, it's about presence. When the lights are on, the Yeti looks ready to hit the road, whether in the city or on a mountain trail. The attention to detail is impressive, especially around the bumper, which features clean lines and integrated fog lamps that sit low for better off-road clarity. Inside the showroom, the presentation is spot on. The Skoda logo is clearly displayed on the back wall, framed perfectly behind the car to emphasize the brand's identity. The same logo sits proudly on the front grille and rear tailgate, reminding viewers that this SUV belongs to a heritage brand that values engineering and design. The lighting, positioning, and clear branding make this a strong first impression for potential buyers. Although full specifications are yet to be revealed for all markets, the Yeti is expected to come with a variety of engine options, including efficient petrol and diesel units, and possibly a mild hybrid setup. Skoda's focus on practicality, comfort, and safety means buyers can expect a well-rounded package that performs both on the highway and on uneven terrains. The platform has been refined for better ride quality, and with all-wheel drive likely to be available, it continues to appeal to adventure-loving drivers. What makes the 2026 Skoda Yeti special is its balance of style and substance. It's a car that doesn't scream for attention but commands respect with its robust styling and functional design. The first look in the showroom gives a clear message here: Skoda is serious about bringing the Yeti back stronger and smarter than ever. For buyers in search of a compact SUV that blends modern design, off-road capability, and everyday usability, the new Skoda Yeti stands out as a serious contender. Its bold green look, high-quality lighting, and refined exterior tell a story of evolution. With the Yeti now officially launched and available in showrooms, it's time to take a closer look at one of the most talked about SUV comebacks of the year. Thanks for watching.